afternoon, everyone. This is Kevin Gianni from the Renegade Health Show, and today is the 29th of December, a couple of days before New Year's. It is an exciting week. It's kind of a low week here at, Renegade Health, I guess. I mean, it's our house. It's kind of weird, we live and we work in our house, so when we say at the office, it kind of means, at home too. So anyway, on Christmas Day, I woke up with a little bit of a scratch in my throat. And so I was kind of surprised about that, but it kind of developed into a little bit of a head cold. And I'm like, what the heck is going on? I haven't had a head cold in a very, very long time. So I'm kind of trying to figure out what's going on. But I will tell you, there's a little trick or a little technique or a little tool that Angela Stokes taught me about that I want to show you today, because this has really helped get some of the sinus things that were going on with my nostrils out, and now that it's Monday, everything has kind of subsided and I'm good to go. But I use this tool to actually help get my sinuses cleared up, so I didn't have any sort of turn into sinus infection, because I know that some of you have seen your friends or yourself get sinus infections, and really the way to avoid that is to make sure that your sinuses are clean, because there's tubes all up through your nostrils, all in through the front of your face, going to all different places, your ear channels, all different places here that need to be cleaned out in order for you to really breathe easily and for all your air to function and flow very smoothly. And if they're not cleared out and they get clogged up, well then bacteria can be in there, and that's when it starts to grow, and that's what causes the sinus infection. So I want to show you this tool right here. This is called... I'm in the bathroom here, and it's hard to do this just filming myself. This is called the Neti Pot. What is the Neti Pot? Well, the Neti Pot is what you can use to actually clean out your sinuses. So what you do, and it's really hard to I don't really have the best place to film this, but I'm going to put it down here. What you're going to do with the Neti Pot, this is what Angela Stokes has instructed me, and I'm actually not going to show you the Neti Pot. I'm not going to actually show you putting it into my nose, because that might be, it's not X-rated or R-rated, but it's just kind of gross. But anyway, what you do is you fill up the Neti Pot with about half water, cool water, and then you'll sprinkle about maybe a penny's worth size of sea salt, and then you're going to heat up some water, not till it's boiling hot, but then what you're going to do is you're going to fill that up towards the top, and then you have your filled Neti Pot. And then what you're going to do, and I'm going to show you in the mirror here. Let's see if I can do this well. All right, so that's me in the mirror. Then what you're going to do is you're actually going to put it in one side of your nostril, just like this, and you're going to tilt your head. This is pretty cool. And it's actually, you're going to do it over a sink, because if you don't do it over a sink, it's going to be, big trouble for you. But what you're going to do is you're going to tilt your head, put it in one side, put it under the sink, and then what's going to happen is the water's going to flow out the other side here, and it's going to clean out your sinuses. So that's exactly how you're going to use the Neti Pot, and it's something that's helped me clear up my sinuses. Right after I started to get that sore throat, that scratchy throat on Christmas, my nose started to stuff up the next day, and I said, whoa, hold on a second here, we got to take care of this. So I've been using the Neti Pot to help me clean that out. Now, one thing that I was disappointed about, and why I think this took a little bit longer not longer to manifest, but it took a little bit longer to get rid of, is because we were traveling and I wasn't in a position to be able to get the normal things that I get when I do feel like I'm getting the sniffles. And what I'll do is I'll take a whole bunch of echinacea, some vitamin C, some zinc tablets, and really kind of green juice, and really start to get my immune system boosted. But in this case, I didn't have anything, and we were in Queens, and I didn't have a chance to get out to find any of this stuff at a health food store. So what happened was I think it escalated a little bit more than I normally would like it to do. So anyway, that's your tip for today, or that's your kind of your thought for today is the Neti Pot. Because look, because I know that some of you are getting colds this time of year, this is definitely something that you can use to really help you out and to clear out your system, your sinuses, so you don't get any sort of sinus infection, which is really, really, really nasty. And I know that in my top 10 weirdest things, I did mention the Neti Pot. I knocked it before I tried it, so now I've tried it and now I really like it. So this is Kevin Gianni. I want to know if you've tried the Neti Pot before. Go ahead and post that down below. Together we can change the health of the world, one show at a time.